Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a quick but very important update on Bitcoin. We've been tracking this one since our last outlook on September 5th, and as you can see, the price action has been a masterclass in market prediction. We are always on point. The price has moved exactly as we said it would, and it's continued on its path. This is a huge congratulations to everyone who followed along. It's a perfect example of why it's so important to have a clear analysis and a solid plan in this market. The setup was on point, and the result speaks for itself. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out!